Spoil. Too much sugar spoils a good sauce. I am spoiling my dinner with too many snacks. The heat has spoilt the milk overnight. They have been spoiling the child with too many gifts. The rain spoilt our picnic last Sunday. I was spoiling the surprise when she walked in. The fruit had spoiled before we could eat it. The leak had been spoiling the ceiling for weeks before repairs. One careless word will spoil the whole mood. I will be spoiling my guests all weekend. By noon, the sun will have spoilt the fresh fish. By then, the damp will have been spoiling the walls for a year.